I'm going to show you a super effective dynamic stretch for the front and the back of your hip. So it's for your hamstrings and your hip flexors. All right, what you need is a wall. You're going to lean up against it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to stretch my right hip, so my right hamstrings. Now I'm leaning against the wall, which is important because it makes my back feel safe. I'm not extending my back and I'm not flexing my back. So this is going to be a back pain safe stretch. You can do this if you have scoliosis as well. Then if I slide this leg backwards and stick my bum backwards, I'm going to feel a stretch here, okay? So in yoga and things, people get into this position. They feel a really strong stretch down the back of their legs. But we're not going to go into that position. We're just going to slide the butt backwards and step back with my left leg. Then I'm going to go forwards. I'm going to drive my heel down to the ground, but at the same time, I'm going to tuck my pelvis just a little bit and push my hips forward so I feel a stretch here. Then I'm going to do those two motions in a forward and backwards rhythm. So I get a front hip stretch, back hip stretch. All the while, my lower back is not moving. Okay? So I'm not going into flexion here and I'm not going into extension here. I'm focusing on my hip. I'm going to go forwards and backwards about 30 times and then change sides. And you're going to feel a really nice loosening of this front part of your hip. So go on, give that one a go.